Hi everyone, Sam here from the Genuine Futures family. Alongside me today is Daisy from Bolton Brickwork Specialist. And next week is our first ever together in partnership, our try a trade event, Try Bricklaying. Daisy, why is it important that young people get involved in trying bricklaying?
The thing is, there's a lot of people nowadays who don't know what they want to do with their life. They're umming and ahhing about going to college, about getting an apprenticeship, and this just gives them an opportunity to give something a go before deciding to jump in at the deep end, basically.
Absolutely, you're right. As a lot of people, they start college and, halfway through the course or even a month into the course, they drop out because they don't like it.
Yeah, they decide they're not keen, don't they?
And this is what it's about. It's about trying, bricklaying, getting involved in something, meeting people. It's so important, isn't it, Daisy?
Yeah, of course it is. Of course it is.
And in this town today, there's 300 young people aged 16 to 17 who are stuck in their bedrooms. And Cameron, you was once stuck in your bedroom. Why is it important that young people get involved in this event?
So that they're not stuck just doing one thing for like the whole life. So they've got a range of things to like bounce between.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we're looking, for any young people in Bolton, school age, you want to get, meet the team here at Bolton Brickwork, speak to the specialist, talk to them, get some experience. What should we expect from the day, Daisy?
So first off, they're going to get a bit of an induction, told about PPE and stuff, and then Dan and Liam will be showing them exactly what to do, and then they'll just get to have a go at it themselves, basically. It's not, obviously, it doesn't need to be perfect because they're newly introduced to it, but it's just something where they can have a go and see if they fancy doing it in the future.
It is, and we're really, truly grateful to Kelly at the White Horse and everybody who's been supporting us. So we're here next Thursday. We're here it's 10:30, isn't it, when they're going to be arriving?
Yeah, 10:30.
We've got a number of people already registered. There's limited spaces available, so do get involved. This is a one-off chance, isn't it, Daisy, for them to get involved?
Yeah, it's a one-off for now. It could potentially be something that we carry on doing in the future if it's popular, because, like you say, we want to get people involved. We want to get people out the bedrooms. We want to get them actually doing things. So.
Absolutely, and the government have done a report. There's 1 million young people who are neat. There's thousands of neat young people here in Bolton. It's so vitally important that they get involved in it. And this new Prime Minister, Andy Burnham's mentioned that he's going to start tackling the young people and investing in young people. What's your message to Andy Burnham and the new Prime Minister about that, about investing in young people?
I think it's very good to invest in young people, but I think there's a lot more pressing subjects that he also needs to address.
Absolutely. I think young people are the future of our country, and we want, the government to start investing in us. We've got plans to open up a brickwork academy as well.
Yeah, we spoke about that. Me and Liam spoke about that, and it's something that we definitely look to do in the future. If this works out and it's popular, there's no reason why we can't do it. Absolutely.
So yeah, we want that investment from the government. Get involved. We're looking forward to meeting young people. Click on the link, register for the event next Thursday, and we look forward to seeing everybody then. So it's bye from me.
Bye from me.
And bye from me.
Ciao for now. Thank you.
Thank you.